Hello guys, today we want to make an analysis on this design, and this is a wedding design as you can see from here, and the couple Christabel and Kelvin. And on the design analysis here, what we are trying to look at is, let's say from here, this wedding for instance, what we are expecting here. Let me clean this a bit. Let's zoom in. You see the font style of this wedding analysis. This particular font style, let me see, this particular font style was even chosen by the client, but notwithstanding, some clients they feel that they know more, they know everything they want in a design. But you as a designer, you tend to correct most of these things. So basically, let's clean it off. And then first I introduced this particular pattern for them. This is like an initial for them. The bride, which is Christabel, will initial C, and the K for Kelvin. So it gives them a kind of a brand, or a couple brand. Let's say a couple brand. Then following similar to that, then let's do away with it. And then coming over to the wedding here, this background, let's look at the overall background generally. The background tries to give us a wedding vibe, for instance, because if you see the flower section up and down giving us, and this background here, this rose here, what's all this thing you see here, it tends to give us that scenario that a bride is covering a wedding gown. And then basically for a wedding design, you must a ring illustrating the bond between the husband and wife, which you are trying to make your vows. So the ring here illustrates the vow you are making with your husband and colors of the day respectively. And this is basically all. It doesn't need any much. So if you have anything about the design and you feel there's something wrong about the design, please do well to comment and let's hear your own point of view.